Hey, data enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly transformative, predictive analytics. Ever wondered how businesses like Netflix and Amazon seem to know exactly what you want before you even do? It's all thanks to predictive analytics. Stick around to find out why this powerful tool is a game changer for your business. Predictive analytics is all about forecasting future trends based on historical data. Instead of just reacting to past events, you can anticipate what's coming next. Imagine being able to forecast customer behavior, optimize your inventory, or even prevent potential issues before they arise. That's the magic of predictive analytics. Let's take Netflix, for instance. They're not just guessing what you might like. They analyze your viewing history to predict and recommend shows you'll love. Or consider Amazon, which predicts what products you might buy next and has them ready to ship even before you click buy. These companies use predictive analytics to stay ahead of the curve, and you can too. But here's the catch. Predictive analytics isn't just about fancy algorithms. It requires the right tools, quality data, and a strategic approach. In today's fast-paced world, relying on gut feelings alone is a recipe for disaster. Predictive analytics lets you make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and drive growth. But want to harness the power of predictive analytics for your own business? Check out Vuelitics. At Vuelitics, we specialize in turning your data into actionable insights that can give you a competitive edge. Visit us at Vuelitics' website link to learn more and see how we can help you unlock the future of your business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more insights. Drop a comment below on how you plan to use predictive analytics in your business. Thanks for watching and stay ahead of the game.